Hi, in this video I'll show how to use application for converting xlsx files, it's Excel files, to HTML. On my computer you can see I have XLS file. It's US states with, it contains one spreadsheet with state name, column, state code, region, subregion, and I will create HTML table from this file. So to do this, I will download app from my website. This is my website. I will leave a link on the site in the description. To find app, I'll click on search and type xlsx to HTML. Yep, and I need this page. Then click on the xlsx to HTML link, click on download button and start downloading process. I will be recording more videos on Excel formats, on Excel converters, and if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. There is also, I have another app I can show you. It's XLS Viewer. It's allow you to view what is inside an Excel file without having Excel installed on a computer. I don't have Excel installed. It was like Excel mobile viewer. It's old version of the app. It's just showing what is inside Excel, but you cannot edit, you cannot change it. So you can see archive has been downloaded. I'll click on downloaded archive, double click on inside to start installation, click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. I will click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes, and click on finish on file on screen. And you can see application has been installed. I have a shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1 we will select Excel file we want to convert. So I'll click on this button and navigate to my states XLSX, this one, click open, click on next. If first row of my Excel file has column names, which is the case for my Excel, I will leave it check, click on next step, and on final step I'll click run to create HTML file. And you can see it's asking me for name and location of HTML file. This name and location is okay, just click save. And let's go and open file. I can double click on the file to open it. And you can see it has been converted into HTML file. Now, if you don't like colors or fonts into this HTML file, I can right click, open with Notepad, and you can see first thing of this HTML file is the style. So I can change style in any time I want, or I can remove style and it will be applied like base style. If you're, for example, if your website has a base style, you can just paste it here and it will be applied to entire table. So yeah, basically that's it. You can see that we have all data converted and all information about states into HTML page. So basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments. I can also show you Viewer app. It's a free app. When I click on it, it's just showing what is inside. And here it will be showing spreadsheets if I have multiple. I have just one. And you can see it's also showing what is inside of XLS file, Excel file. And I can also export into different format if I want to really quick. So yeah, I will leave a link on this app too. Yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.